Hi, are you here for an Uber? Hi, how are you?
What's my name? Say my name.
What's that?
What's my name? Say my name.
Oh no, you need to tell me what your name is.
No, you're supposed to tell me what my name is so I don't get into a stranger's car.
Oh, what's your name?
No, I can't tell you that.
Okay, can you just tell me what my name is?
Why?
You can look at check the license plate and it'll match up on your phone.
Okay, but you could just tell me my name.
Well, you could be a stranger, like you could be the wrong passenger. Like there could be, I could have the wrong one.
Okay, so if you say my name, then I'd know that. Well, what's your name?
But like anybody could say that it's your name, so like that's what I mean. So you got to say my name.
But you could say, huh? Okay, whatever. I don't care. I'll just get in. That was annoying though, so you're probably gonna get a 1-star review, but.
A 1-star?
We can go. Yeah. My name's Patricia, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I have it on the app.
Okay, yeah, and you're Daniel, so it's fine. It's
okay. Just put your seatbelt on, please.
I actually don't do that.
You don't do that?
I don't. Okay, jeez. Oh, 0-star review.
I need 5-star. If I get one more low rating, I'm literally getting deactivated.
Why you're getting low ratings, huh?
I'm literally gonna get fired, okay?
I wonder why you're getting low ratings.
Just because I appreciate safety, that's why.
So do I. I was asking those questions for.
It's the say my name thing.
Say my name, say my name.
Oh gosh.
When no one is around you. Say baby, I love you.
Hey, you're pretty good.
We're running games. Say my name, say my name.
You acting got a shady and come to me, baby. And I'm putting this say my name.
That was really good. Maybe you should.
Can I get 5 stars for that?
Yeah, you could probably get 5
Alright.
Yeah.
Yo.
5 stars for that one.
Alright, sick.
Is that, who sings that?
Kesha, I think. You know, I met Kesha one time.
You met Kesha? Well, that's definitely not Kesha's song, but that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Tick-tock on the clock.
Oh, are you a TikToker?
Yeah, are you? Yeah, I make TikToks.
Oh, no, I don't really do that.
All day, every day.
I don't do that children stuff.
It upped my screen time too much, so I deleted the app.
Okay. Yeah.
But I was on there. I was on Kesha Talk.
Kesha Talk?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, TikTok, Kesha Talk, yeah.
Kesha Talk, get it.
Yeah. So you're just going right up here by the Ferris wheel?
Yeah, by the Ferris wheel.
Wow.
I'm gonna ride it 17 times because last time I rode it 16 times and then I threw up. So I feel like I can,
Try to get a record?
Yeah, I'll try to get
a record. Well, that's fun. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Remember, 5 stars. You can leave a cash tip if you'd like, or just in the app is good too.
That's
But
fine.
5 stars, please, or else I get deactivated. So.
Okay, I'll be safe.
All right, thank you.
Bye.